given following equation, and this equation they are giving, they are saying find base b. So this b we have to find out what is that b in this particular number, and they are giving us the option. First of all, we are going to solve it. Now let us solve this one first. Whenever we are having anything with the base, then how we write it? Just like if we are having 142 base b, and to convert into the decimal number, we will first of all multiply with b raised to power 0 to the first number, then b raised to power 1 to second number, and multiply the next number with the b raised to power 2. Now this is equal to 1 multiplied by b square, that will become b square, plus 4 multiplied by b, plus b raised to power 0 is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. So that we have solved for the first number. Now take the another number, which is 1, 1, 2, and the base is b minus 2. Now the first will be multiply with b minus 2 raised to power 0, second multiply with b minus 2 raised to power 1, and third multiply with b minus 2 raised to power 2, which will be equal to, if I multiply 1 with b minus 2 square, then it will be b minus 2 square, plus multiply 1 with b minus 2 raised to power 1, which will be b minus 2, plus multiply 2 with b minus 2 raised to power 0, which is actually 1, so it is 2. Now we are going to take the next one, which is the last one, and this is 75 base 8, and we know that first will be multiplied with 8 raised to the power 0, next will be multiplied with 8 raised to the power 1. So if I say that will be equal to 7 into 8 plus 8 raised to the power 0 is 1, 5. So that will be equal to 56 plus 5, which is equal to how much? 61. Now you guys, you can see that because b is the base over there, so we are taking b raised to power 0, b raised to power 1, b raised to power 2, and we are multiplying 2 with b raised to power 0, 4 with b raised to power 1, and these are the answers which are coming. Now here in the next one, we are having base is b minus 2. So now we are saying b minus 2 raised to power 0, b minus 2 raised to power 1, b minus 2 raised to power 2. And we are multiplying with these number correspondingly, and these are the answers which are coming corresponding to that. Now here in the last one, the base is 8. So we multiply with 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1. 5 with 8 to the power 0, 7 with 8 to the power 1. So there you can see that these are the corresponding answers. Further solving the second one, which is saying b minus 2 whole square, which is equal to b square plus 2 square, which is equal to 4, minus 2 into b, which is equal to minus 4b, because it is a formula just like a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, plus b minus 2 as it is plus 2. So now we are putting all the things together as per the equation. If you see, the equation says we are taking the first term, which is b square plus 4b plus 2, then second term, it is equal to plus b square plus 4 minus 4b plus b minus 2 plus 2, and that is equal to last one, which is 61. So it is the time to cross the unnecessary things, just like minus 4b with the 4b, then minus 2 with 2. The resultant of this will be, if I take b square and b square, that will be equal to 2b square, then it will be 2 plus 4, which is 6. This will be b, so we are saying plus b, and that is equal to 61. Now we are going to take the 61 other side, which will be equal to 2b square plus b, then minus 61 plus 6 will be equal to how much? Minus 55, and that will be equal to 0. Now we are taking equation there. Now if we factor this b, You see, to factor, first of all, we are multiplying 55 with 2, which is becoming 110, and 110 can be factored with 11 and 10. So it will be plus 11b minus 10b minus 55, which is equal to 0. So if we take out the b, it will be 2b plus 11, and now I am taking minus 5 over there, then it will be 2b plus 11, that is equal to 0. What that means, which will be equal to 2b plus 11, if we take it common, then it will be b minus 5 equal to 0. That means either first one is 0, if first one is 0, then it will be b is equal to minus 11 by 2, or second one will be equal to 0, which means b will be equal to 5. The value cannot be in minus, so that is not possible, but value can be positive, so that can be the answer. So the correct answer for this one is 5. So D is the correct answer. Now I want to add on one more thing. There is one more method to solve such question, which is by hit and trial method. Just like you put all the values, then afterward you check out. But in the hit and trial method, there is also logic which should be applied. Just like if you see, it is 142, the number is 142, and you know that if the base is 8, the number falls between 0 to 7, and if the base is 10, the number fall between 0 to 9. That means if it is 4, then it is for sure that b value should be greater than 4. That means this 3 we should not check. So we can eliminate 3 very easily, because if the base is 3, then values will fall between 0 to 2. And here if 4 is coming, that is not possible, and we can try other options. So this is one more method to solve such question.